Hi, Jonathan here. We've been lucky yet here at Konnectus to deploy over 1,000 Crestron Microsoft Teams room systems. And now that people have actually been able to go back, use them and get familiar over the last 18 months, we're starting to see a lot of feedback from our customers. One of the key pieces of feedback that we've received is not everybody likes automatic tracking or automatic framing cameras. Now today, implementing the control was very difficult. That's why I'm so excited about a collaboration between Crestron, Logitech and Huddly. What Crestron have been able to do is deploy a little piece of software that doesn't require any programming or any additional hardware to control those cameras. Let me show you. So this is what the screen would look like on the Microsoft Teams room system. As you can see here, this is the important thing. We can turn automatic tracking on or off. And when it's off, I can actually control the camera. I can pan, I can tilt, I can zoom in and out, and even have presets. If you'd like to know more about this, come and visit us at konnectus.com.au.